So just take this off now. Okay, perfect. Stay close.
Yep, that's good, yeah.
Need the sniffer in here?
No. That's for after our welds. Probably good, dude.
Next, heat this up.
Yep. Yeah, that's probably good, dude. Where'd you do that wire now?
Where do I put this thing?
It's got magnets. You can put it up against that steel if you want. Just to get that out of the way. You might need to move your feet or something too. So you'll see it this color. Just hold it on that one spot for now, and then you'll see it like change color.
Brighter.
Yeah, see that? See how it's changing? That's how you want to get it. So just get rid of all the moisture and preparing it that you want it to be hot too, so it'll be more of a mutual weld. Go down like 8 inches or 6 inches probably. Hey Gabby, we're probably ready for you to go down there. Okay. Okay, dude.
What about the other side?
It's good.
You sure?
All right, got it. Yeah, that's definitely good. Here, I'll take that torch.
I need to warm that back. Anything back up over there?
You're good for now. I'll just take that torch and then fit it in there.
I mean, I went through the union, I've never done it. Have you ever done CAD Welding?
Yeah. Never to building steel, only just to.
Thank you.
I noticed with this, you gotta really heat up the steel, or else it won't be a good weld. We already had one come off.
So you didn't heat it up enough, and then it just popped. Like, more or less didn't penetrate.
Yeah. Which was like, I was really surprised. We were like, what the heck's going on? So we just tried different methods, and you definitely want to grind with like a grinder. You don't want to use a wire wheel because it turns out that.
It's like a texture.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Did you pull that down a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not completely straight.
We're bonding to that 4/0. Here you go.
It's not completely straight yet.
Okay.
Your video quality is failing.
I know. I was like up here. Yeah, dude. It's a bear, isn't it? Like, freaking irritating.
Y'all have gloves on the CAD?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So heat up everything again.
Just the top or?
Everywhere you can, below, on top, the steel on the other side too, everywhere.
Supposed to have this back there?
I'm not doing this in a second.
Is that magnet gonna melt?
Fine. Yeah, that's good. Just heat the steel now on the other side.
On the back side?
Yeah, just try heating the steel.
Hold this.
I can see the determination.
Did you get one of those cups? Igniter
Don't
is.
put one of these in your espresso machine. Just need somebody.
That's good, John. Cool.
My gas to get to work is worse than mine.
Okay, dude. So you put that in there. Face that little stem.
Towards me?
Let's see. Let's get a picture of that. Bring it up here. Okay. So that stem goes towards you.
Does that go through the hole?
No. Set that cup in there. Just like that. Then you close it. Close the lid. And see, there's that little slit in there.
Yeah.
So line that up.
Okay.
Okay. So then,
Do I
come on out.
fire it or? Oh, okay.
Wait there for a second, actually.
That's probably premium.
Okay, here we go. Thanks.
It's a private Dodge Challenger.
So you get this. So this slit.
Goes in there.
Put that in there gingerly. It'll bend. It's kind of delicate. Just make sure it's in there. Kind of don't force it too much. Just push it to where it stops, and then just leave it.
Like, is there part of it that doesn't go in all the way, or?
Yep. And then just leave it hanging.
Okay.
And you can come out.
Hang out.
You need to like take this out.
Gas.
Yep.
Do we have to get out of the way now?
Yeah. We're ready to fire.
Fire in the hole. You can't sit there with your face
Run.
next to it.
Yeah.
Do I need to take this harness off?
No, you said it.
I
So
was
grab
like,
that.
okay, man, like, I was rolling that shit right
So you're
there.
gonna press and hold that ready button. You're gonna press and hold that until it lights.
And it's going.
Yeah, they're
Good.
Those fumes.
Sprint, full
yeah.
speed.
Nice job. Good job.
Gunpowder.
Did you get the fire?
Down there.
Yeah, I got it.
No. I feel like you gotta wait for it to air out. Can you tell me what
Probably a
chemicals
good
you
idea.
spurt?
That's it.
Plastic in that cup.
There's a lot of buildup for nothing.
I need one of them exothermic welders for after I'm taking dumps on the bathroom doesn't smell. These single matches aren't enough.
Are all of your welds in the same area?
1, 2, 3.
There you go.
Damn, bud.
Can we hold it over there?
A little bit drizzly. I was doing a hard time. See if there ain't
Is it clean?
Dude, looks like the best one yet.
Don't lie to me.
Huh. It is the best one yet.
Does the bucket like stay on with paint?
You got to pull on it?
No?
I want you to pull on it.
Do a good tap.
Oh, mama.
Yep.
She ain't going nowhere. Got you for 3 whole minutes.
Want the wire brush?
Got you. 3 minutes.
3 minutes of
You
playtime.
guys want to come downstairs and watch me wrap?